Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In this video we're going to focus on the healing benefits and the uses of Goldenseal. Goldenseal is a traditional healing herb of Native Americans and it's been used for different things such as indigestion, inflammations, and also to help to improve the appetite, and it's been used for coughs and liver problems as well. And it's such a great fantastic herb because it's astringent and it's very tonifying for the system overall. It also helps to promote digestive and bile health as well because it acts as a stimulant, and it's really important because it's healing to the gastric mucous membranes, and it also promotes and raises blood pressure. So it's been used for so many different things. The part of the Goldenseal plant that's used is the rhizome. It's actually an excellent drying anti-catarrhal remedy for gastric, upper respiratory tract, and also mucous membranes as well. And it's really useful for conditions including mucus colitis and nasal inflammations as well. And it's also being used for ear infections. And it's great when it comes to gynecological problems because what it does is it helps reduce menopausal symptoms, and it can also help to ease period pain. It's absolutely amazing when it comes to PMS symptoms, and it's a great remedy to use overall. And it's quite expensive unfortunately, but it's really high quality. It's one of these traditional healing herbs that has so many different benefits on the body overall, and it helps to bring in that balance that we require. And it's also being used as a general tonic as well. So if you are lucky to grow Goldenseal in your area or in your yard and you've correctly identified it, then go along and harvest it in the autumn season. Absolutely amazing. The most common ways we use Goldenseal is in the dried rhizome format, or as a tincture, or in capsule form as well. So it's one of these fabulous amazing herbs that's absolutely great for so many different things. And the best way to use it as a tincture is to simply either make your own tincture if it is growing around you, or to purchase a tincture and use it according to the instructions. And it can be used for gastroenteritis and also for excessive discharge as well, because it acts as a liver tonic for problems with digestion, and also it really helps with cases of food sensitivity and also different things such as heavy menstrual bleeding, PMS as well. A tincture of Goldenseal is amazing for that. You can also use the tincture either to take internally or use it simply as a wash. Once you dilute the tincture in 100 ml of water, simply place 5 milliliters of that tincture in 100 ml of water. You can use it for skin inflammations. You can use it also for eczema as well, topically. So you can also use the tincture to gargle as well. Simply use 2 to 3 milliliters of the tincture, place it with warm water, use it as a gargle for gum problems, sore throats, and also mouth ulcers. It can be used for that. And in terms of the capsule, which is the easiest way to use the Goldenseal, well, basically you take it as per instructions of the brand, and the capsules are usually can be used with mainly for respiratory infections. They can also be combined with Vitex, or as it's called, the chast tree berry powder, in order to help with problems with PMS, problems with menstruation, problems with menopausal flushes and sweats. It's really great for that. And they also sell eardrops which are made from Goldenseal, which are great for blocked ears and so forth. You might want to look into that if you decide to use that. And you can also take it in capsule form. Now, a few words of caution regarding the use of Goldenseal before we end the video, and I do apologize on the background noise if there are any in this video, but usually when you use the Goldenseal, it acts as a uterine stimulant, so please avoid using Goldenseal during pregnancy. And the herb is also hypertensive, so if you have high blood pressure, avoid using the herb. Also, please don't use it as eardrops if there is a risk of the eardrum being perforated. And also, if you've got any pain in your ear, please consult a medical practitioner for you to get it checked out, get your symptoms checked out, do the necessary testing, and you'll be safe that way. Also, if you are eating the fresh plant, Also, make sure that if you have the plant growing around you, you do not eat it fresh. Don't eat it fresh, because what happens is once you eat it fresh, it can actually cause problems in the mucous membranes, and that is specifically causing ulceration of the mucous membrane. So we've come towards the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel to see all our new content. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.